this episode we have something different. Something that will change your view over the 4x4 segment. It is the new ML, but with S-Class comfort and practical dimensions. The Mercedes GLC is one unique vehicle with elegant exterior, futuristic interior and a lot of performance potential. This one is equipped with 3-liter turbo diesel engine with 258 horsepower. And probably you're gonna say that that's not enough, but it is, because this one produces 655 Nm of torque, which is more than enough, trust me. Also it's equipped with off-road package that drives the ground clearance from 8.5 to 20 inches. This SUV is a strange hybrid between everyday car, off-road vehicle and a PlayStation on wheels. All those menus are so high-tech, so properly integrated. It's a complete technological masterpiece. And we didn't find anything annoying or wrong with it. And we think that this is one of the best SUVs from Mercedes so far. It's not too big, it's not too small, and in the same time have great performance and good off-road abilities. And all that in a package with comfort and high-tech functions. This is one of the best cocktails that you can find on the market right now.
If you like this video, subscribe to Touring Car Show channel, and thanks for watching.